Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3D logo in Photoshop using the built-in 3D extrusion tool. So let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is, for the sake of the video, I'm going to find a free-to-use logo. And I already found this one and downloaded it. It does need to be transparent. It needs to have a transparent background, or better yet, just the PNG file format. So yeah, so I already have that downloaded. So let's go ahead and open it up. Don't worry about those. Those are Discord profile pictures. So yeah, all right. All right, so here it is. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and right-click the layer and convert it to a smart object, and then right-click it again and rasterize it. That'll make it so we can edit it. Go ahead and find the magic wand tool, and we're actually just going to long click it and get the quick selection tool. And if I were to make this 3D right now, it would just be the outline of this. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more transparent parts to it by deleting the white parts and then the blue parts. The reason I'm doing this is so it shows up, 3D with more transparent parts. Alright, so now you're going to right click the layer and do new 3D extrusion from layer. You'll see that makes it 3D, and you can go ahead and mess around with this as you want. Just remember, whatever it looks like in here as you're messing with it will be the rendered version of it once we're done. So if you do mess with it, just make sure it's something that you're happy with the way it stands. So I like it like that right there. I think it looks good. So first thing I'm going to do, and you don't have to do this, but I'm going to, I always unselect cat shadows and cat shadows, because sometimes it just makes it look kind of sloppy. Here's your extrusion depth. You'll see it makes it more 3D, less 3D. So I like it right there. That looks good. And that's even quite a bit. You don't need to do that much, but alright, so here's the next thing that I always do, because I find this method that Photoshop has, their built-in version, could be a little buggy. So we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and click a part of the logo that you want. It needs to be a two-dimensional part, not over here. I'll get into that later. But we're going to go click right here, and this will look different for you, but this is the materials, and they have a bunch of preset ones you can choose. So I always actually go for this one right here, this kind of yellowish gold one. And I'm going to make the base color, I'll make it black. And then I'm going to click the inner 3D part now. So when you click that, and just keep clicking, sometimes this maybe will come up. Just click that. And I'm going to change the material to that yellow one again. This time I'm going to make it white. Oh, and something I should have mentioned. Well, actually no, that's good. Alright, so you have it done. Go ahead and go to layers, right click, then go to render 3D layer. And you'll see it's going to take a while to render, especially depending on your computer. My old computer, it would take 20 minutes. This probably will take like 2 or 3 minutes. So yeah, I'll come back to once it's done rendering. However, you start to see it really come together, the 3D part of it. But I'll come back once it's fully rendered. Alright, and now you can see it's fully rendered. Go ahead and try not to click anything, because if you change anything it will become unrendered. Then you have to go through that process again. So what we're going to do is right click the layer again, and we're going to go to rasterize 3D, and that will make it once again a 2D, just a normal layer. And then just to show it off a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add a background. And we'll go ahead and make it a nice gradient background. All right, so there is your 2D normal logo that is now 3D. Don't forget, you can go into blending options, mess with some of the stuff, add some drop shadow, makes it look a little better. There's a lot you can do. I am still not too fond of the Photoshop method. I think Cinema 3D or 4D, whatever the hell it's called, I think it's just better software in general. However, this is nice just because it's built into Photoshop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.